All right, May the 3rd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East along with you on a pretty mild Thursday, and certainly Thursday morning mild and downright toasty for Thursday afternoon. These are our highs yesterday for Wednesday, even Boone up to 80. 86 the high in Fayetteville and Columbia, 83 in Wilmington. Had a lot of mid-80s around the Triad viewing area. 87 even in Burlington, 86 in Reidsville and around the Charlotte viewing area, a lot of low and mid 80s through the foothills and the Piedmont. And again, as I mentioned a moment ago, even Boone hit 80 yesterday afternoon. Still have this ridge hanging on across the southeast today and Friday, but then that ridge collapses over the weekend, allows the trough to move in, and we'll have at least some opportunity for scattered storms. More on that in just a second. Certainly still a bit of uncertainty for the weekend. Temperature staying warm overall for the next week. A little dip in the temperature pattern as we get toward Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, with temperatures dipping closer to the average. That's Charlotte's temperature trend and a similar trend in the Greensboro temperatures. But by and large, the above average temperatures continuing and well above average over the next couple of days. There's your Greensboro tower camera during the 5 a.m. hour, 61 at the PTI airport. Mild start to the day in Charlotte, too, at 61. 61 for Columbia, Wilmington, Cape Hatteras. How about 66 during the 5 a.m. hour this morning? Storm tracker, Doppler radar, very, very quiet across the Carolinas. Now, anything but quiet off to the northwest of us. Some big areas of rain and storms. So Ohio, Indiana, Michigan, and then big thunderstorms with severe weather concerns early this morning from western Illinois back into Missouri. The blue outlined areas, those are active severe thunderstorm warnings as I cut the video. There's even been several tornado warnings involved. And you have a severe thunderstorm warning west of San Angelo, a tornado warning west of Fort Worth as big thunderstorms continue to blossom early this morning. Another big day of severe weather yesterday. There's the storm report over the last 24 hours. A lot of them in the plains and up into the midwestern part of the country as well. All right, so here's the deal. Low pressure moving into the plain states, interacting with all that warm air. And so again today, you're going to be looking at big thunderstorm potential. A couple areas of severe weather, one of the eastern Great Lakes into the northeast, and a greater severe weather concern from Iowa and Missouri, eastern Kansas, down into Oklahoma and Texas. Look at this explosive thunderstorm development again today on the high-resolution future radar product. And it's going to be another very, very active severe weather day off to the west of us. Again, a lot of warmth, though. And I wanted to show you this. Some record high temperatures could be challenged in parts of the country today and tomorrow. This is the lower 48. And I know this may be a little tough to see due to sizing, but especially as we look at the mid-Atlantic region around our nation's capital, some low 90s a possibility. You see the circled areas. That is where the forecast high temperatures within a degree or so of the record highs. So we're looking at potential record highs in parts of the mid-Atlantic and the Northeast today, and this is for tomorrow. So some really warm conditions continuing all across the region and the eastern part of the country as a whole. All right, so warm for the Carolinas today as well. There's your Carolina high temperatures this afternoon, and a warm, dry day tomorrow as well ahead of that incoming front. There's your Friday highs. Friday may be the warmest day of the week. Now, over the weekend, this cold front will drop in. Futurecast indicating a scattering of showers and thunderstorms. The GFS, the American model, continues to indicate, especially near and northwest of I-85 Saturday afternoon, some scattered thunderstorms. And then everybody has a chance on the GFS Saturday night into Sunday for a scattering of thunderstorms. Now, the European and really the Canadian as well have gone much drier. There's the European model outside of the mountains, dry Saturday. And then you get some coastal showers or storms Sunday and a few Piedmont storms scattered Sunday. But interestingly enough, the European has gone with a much drier scenario for Saturday. And so again, I continue to say this weekend is not going to be a washout, but I'll just mention some relatively low probabilities of scattered thunderstorms on both Saturday and Sunday, and we'll continue to refine the forecast moving forward. All right, that's it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.